Picking one up on the interstate. Try to keep you uncovered here. This is sketch here. I'm gonna keep that out of my way. Yeah, they called me whenever I was on my way here, so. This all right. Let's see. Yeah, just kind of watch for traffic. Like it's clear now if you want to make a run for it. I run, but there you can see the lights coming. I wouldn't go out there yet. Just hang on just a minute. All right. I think, hey, watch this car here. Yeah, you're good. You're good. We can climb in there. Oh. I'm sorry, I didn't know it was locked. I'm so sorry. That's a little sketchy. I'm going to put my light on the back of it. Well, at least we're in here and we're safe. Yep. Thank you. All right. I don't know if they can hear me or not. Sorry, I know it's a bit cramped. There we go. All right. That's sketchy. Yeah. Being on the right side of the road like that, it's tough. Thank you. You're welcome. Further back. A little close to this one. We're good though. Alrighty, folks, I forgot to put an ending on that one. We were able to get those folks with their Kia to the dealership off the interstate. That was extremely sketchy. Thankfully, the state trooper was there running their lights to keep people moving over. It was still super duper scary. So yeah, whenever you can, guys, try to get on the right side of the interstate. The left side, I know there's room there, but if there's any way you can get to the right side, there's a little bit more room on the right side. But either way, we had a room. We had help from the sheriff or the state police on that one. Yeah, it wasn't super busy out there, so we were able to get them hooked up and get them to the dealership safely, and got them in a hotel for the night. So maybe they can get some rest, they get their car fixed tomorrow, and they can be on their way. They're actually heading to a wedding in Nashville. They were from Virginia, so they'd already been 6.5 hours, I think is what they said. 5.5, 6.5 hours in. 5.5. Anyway, a long time. So it's gonna be like 8-9 hour trip for them. So hopefully they get some good night's sleep and they can head to the wedding tomorrow and do their rehearsal and everything and get all that taken care of. So until next time, we'll catch you later. Everybody have a good one. Howdy, folks. We are in the truck right now. As you can tell, we are heading to Asheville Highway. We're going up here to the MAPCO station to change a tire on a car. He was in Jefferson City and brought it all the way over here to Nashville. Nashville Highway in Knoxville. He said he's been riding on threads and the cords are showing and coming out of it. So he said he took his time to get up here, so didn't want to blow out on him. So we're going to go up here and put a spare on for him. He said he didn't have the tools with him, so he was just trying to make it back home, and he's afraid to go any further on it. So we will see you here shortly when we get to his car. Okay, we're coming up on scene here. Should be over here, right?
The MAPCO, yep.
The MAPCO. Are you seeing a gold crown Vic anywhere?
Right over there with this truck up. To the right.
Oh, okay.
Well, it's a good thing you got me.
Yeah, I'm glad I got you back. Yeah, you see, he just didn't have the tools to do it.
Well, that happens.
Yeah. I'll turn your lights on.
You need to look at his front one too, it's a little low. Oh! I dropped my water. Hi. Oh, nope.
I was hoping he had a spare.
Yeah. Okay. Your thread's showing on that one too, bud. Ooh. Oh, yeah, we don't have a tire thing here.
We talked about it. Get a lot of it.
I'm trying to think. Other than that. who else would be able to. Do you?
Not
No, I
this
don't know
way.
anybody.
I don't know anybody that's got a machine.
Unless
other
it's
than,
like
the
the
shops and
emergency,
stuff.
the Knoxville roadside.
Unless, I don't know if the Knoxville roadside
probably,
does.
I thought you could just swap it out. You know what I'm saying? I didn't know.
Yeah, I'm
You know what I was
sorry.
looking for? I didn't need a tow because I don't want to lift it up off the ground. It's like put it on something like no wheels turning.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But I got a towing company myself, you know, and a trucking company. It's just that, you know, we was just riding Knoxville.
Right.
Get
Yeah.
some bud, get high.
Yeah.
We got high, and you know, we forgot about the tires.
That
I'm not gonna
happens.
lie. So like, we got vehicles and shit. So we might can network. Like I said, I come on company.
Yeah.
Brother, you know, he's the vice president. Andrew Boys Towards Recovery. You can Google us.
Okay.
So I can Google y'all. I can Google y'all already.
Yeah.
I can Google you. Yeah.
Yep.
You the only ones that came out. Well, for real. I done called about like 7 people.
Really?
And I think there was fraud because they didn't answer their phone.
No.
That's why they didn't like. Or you got the green light 24/7, but no one come. So,
Yeah.
So what you charge for coming out? Just for coming out?
Nothing. We wouldn't charge you anything for that.
We didn't do that.
Yeah, we didn't do anything.
I mean, come on now.
If I could
No.
change it, I wouldn't know.
Gas, come on now.
No, we're
Reimbursement,
good. Yeah, we're good.
like I said,
we just feel bad that we can't help you because
I wish we
Yeah.
had a machine, but we don't.
Yeah, we don't have
well,
one.
I tell you what, we got several vehicles, and we could do. I don't know. We can. You got the truck. We got a BMW. We got a Ford truck, and we got a Taurus.
Mm-hmm.
And these are distances.
Yeah.
Now, if I could pay that gas, pay all the gas, and pay the cash, will you be able to help get, one or two?
Yeah. Well, Nashville, we don't go that far.
That's what I'm saying. I pay up front.
Yeah. I don't know.
I would tell you up front and pay it. Show you up front and pay you up front.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, I got my own company, but I don't have
Right.
your specialized equipment. I got my, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what you're talking
I'm not,
about.
as like, so I can't move like hard like you want to do. So I will actually pay you to do certain jobs for me. And I would pay you up front. The same way you came up front, I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'll pay you down.
Yeah, I make a change these times. I went to Morristown today twice. Knoxville is my 3rd time today. I'm like, my God, man.
It's crazy.
I had to
Yeah.
take the mechanic back. He
Yeah.
didn't want to wait. So I said, look, if I got to call the tow truck, you ain't getting paid.
Yeah. I wish we had that equipment. We're not quite there yet.
Yeah,
But,
we just started this back in March, so we're slowly
I don't even
building
know.
up,
Like,
Well,
getting stuff,
if I was to ask you a question, like,
You got a wood alignment stuff there?
no.
as far as like
We just do small repairs, something in and out real quick.
See, I work on Mercedes. I work on foreign cars.
Oh, okay. You got a hard job.
And I can do, like, I wood alignment.
okay, well,
Yeah.
I know this tire. I just did the wood alignment on this car.
Yeah.
Saying tires already was eating up. The car need new tires now.
Yeah. Yeah, it does.
It ride good.
Yeah.
But I just did wood alignment myself today.
Yeah.
Like the whole front end.
Where were you guys going in Knoxville, though? On the north side of Knoxville?
Hey, right up there with AutoZone, I dropped somebody off.
Oh,
And I
okay.
go back to Jefferson.
Oh, you got to go back to Jefferson. Yeah.
I just was trying to be.
Just take your time. Don't heat up those tires too much hot.
Yeah, I was trying to
Yeah.
talk to some girls down here. But we never know.
I ain't saying this here something. This here is something like I
girls
said,
down here, but
like I would have
our
to go.
tires too bald. You know what I'm saying?
Yep. Well, it happens, you know. But yeah, I don't know who else besides like the emergency roadside people would do it.
They will?
I think they'd come in that big yellow off the roadside thing.
Bring it back.
It's like the Knoxville emergency side roadside assistance.
They're being paid for everything. Good everything. I'm charged. I'm just working.
the Knoxville Emergency Roadside.
Ride it on out, man. Make it home.
Okay.
40, 30 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm just,
Yeah, I'm not even.
Just take your time. Don't heat them up too much.
I don't know how much.
I don't
Good.
get 35, 45 anyway. So
Yeah.
air out of it.
I'm gonna get back to it. Pay to make money.
Yeah,
I'm working now. But
You're gonna let a little air out of it.
Bro, I know tires, man. The last bit of air in them. Put it back to 28, where was that? I put it at 32.
all right, well, I guess we're probably calling you, man. All that air coming out.
I think you're good.
I left 4 pounds out.
What's your name again?
Frederick.
Frederick. Okay.
This is Melinda.
Hi.
Nate. Okay, you Nate.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'll give you one of my cards so you guys have them too. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, Jesus Christ. Lord help us. You're in Jefferson. Yeah. Here's our cards. I gave you 2 of them.
We're on our way there now. So.
But if you run into any trouble, you give us a call, okay? Just take your time.
Maybe I will. I think it's happening anyway because I don't want to. The car's
Yeah.
23 years old.
Yeah.
Been riding for 23 years. So
Yeah. All right. Sorry we couldn't help you out, but
It's cool.
if you need anything, you give us a call, okay?
Okay. Thank you. Y'all be safe.
No, you too.
Thank y'all.
I'm Melinda. Yeah, thank you. Sorry we couldn't help you though. We always feel bad.
Yeah, I was ready to jack up.
My brother trying to give you jobs now.
Yeah. Well, if you need anything else, you give us a call, okay?
And I got ideas for y'all. I do
All right.
TikToks too, and I'm viral, and I'm a comedian in California.
I can see that.
I get paid to talk.
You have a good night. What the heck did we just pull up on? Well, YouTube, that is full-on entertainment for you.
Yep.
That was entertaining for
That
me.
was entertainment.
They didn't lie. They were high. Hey, that rhymed.
Yeah. Yeah, if we had a way to change your tire, we would, but I was expecting to put spare.
Keep going, or they want to talk to you, so you better keep going. So, I don't understand. They were so high that they forgot their tires were that bad.
Yeah. I guess.
And he has the munchies because he went in gas station and got some snacks.
Yeah.
And
They got a dog over there.
and he was trying to tell you about some business opportunity. So, okay, first off, when we got there, the spare was a tire without
A rim.
a rim.
It was just a tire that needed mounted.
Woo.
Which, that's fine.
That's
I
fine.
mean, if that's all you have.
But look.
I currently do not have that.
No, they were so high they didn't even know. I'm just gonna be
Yeah.
honest.
He said he had a spare, which that's. Yeah.
You're gonna question why I didn't call the cops. They didn't drive in front of me. They're parked in front of me.
Yeah.
They're at a gas station, parked in front of me. There was no
They weren't
damage to
even
any
in.
property. There's nothing I can do. Yeah.
So if you're calling somebody to come change your tire for you, hopefully it's on a rim.
Yeah.
already.
I mean, at
there's
least
some
they had a
people-
tire. I will give them that.
I give them that. It had a tire, but we don't have the equipment to actually mount
No.
a tire. I mean, we've done it on the truck, and it's a job.
It's hours.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
anyway,
I don't know what else to say.
yeah. that
I'm
was-
just gonna let the video speak for itself. Yeah.
I mean,
you really need to on a rim.
I would have changed them if you had.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, I'm kind of at a loss of words on that one.
Yeah, we'll just leave that at that. And
It's a first that's happened. Let's put it that way.
yeah.
But anyway, hopefully they make it home safe. That's
the main thing, and I told them.
Hopefully
Yeah.
they make it home safe and sound, and they don't have a blowout.
Well, if they have a blowout, they're gonna call us. That's what he said. So
He's wanting to go.
he's going back to Jefferson City, which is like what 20 miles, 30 miles.
30
away.
miles, yeah.
Yeah.
Almost 30 miles.
All right then.
Don't get them hot.
That's what I told him. Don't get them hot. I think I repeated that a couple times. Okay. I don't.
Alrighty.
Mm.
Well, until next time.